What's going on? Welcome back to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel and to another Kang episode with your boy J Scott Drifts. In this video, we got the spicy NSX. Yeah, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It is probably a current giveaway. Current giveaway. We're filming this a little bit in advance because, you know, we can't drop a video on the NSX before the NSX goes live. So if you're not already in the chance to win this thing, make sure you sign up to become a Keep It Reet loyalty member. For as little as $20 a month, you can go into the draw to win this and heaps of other sick cars. So jump on it, support your boys. But yes, we're going to be modifying this thing. So right now, she's a pretty stock, minus the lows, but we'll get into that soon. But yeah, we're going to give this thing the Keep It Reet touch. We're a little bit behind the 8 ball with filming on this thing, but it has already been to Shockworks coilovers, the best in the game. So we'll get this thing on the hoist and we'll have a look at the coilover kit that they've done in this. I'm not sure if it's an off-the-shelf thing or a little bit custom. I'll have to speak to the boys and see what they've done. Yeah, she's already low, but you know we're going to be slamming that ass on some spicy wheels. So we got some fresh in the box wheels that we're just waiting on tyres. Should get them this afternoon so we can get this thing looking spicy. Corey's already gone ahead and put a Kang Type R genuine Momo steering wheel on there. This thing is pretty gorgeous. It's going to be getting a full detail. We're going to make it a little bit louder. I think it's already got some form of titanium exhaust, or it's got something done, but it doesn't make enough noise. So we're going to be getting it in the air and cutting out them mufflers, get some Kang noises out of this thing. And Corey started on an intake pipe, which I just finished up as well, which is red for race car. We pop the hood, take a look at the beast.
Yeah, go on, pop the hood. Can you figure out where it is?
Oh!
Yeah.
Take a hood, pop the hood.
Pop the hood. Open it up.
Take a look at the heart of the beast.
Yeah.
This is a supercar.
Corey.
What? No! Where's Corey? What? What? No!
Runs on a tyre.
It runs on a spare wheel. What is that? One of these new electric whiz bang things or something. We got a radiator. We got some brake stuff.
And a wheel.
What's that? Top 4, must be brake and clutch. Pretty sure this thing doesn't have power steering. Pretty sure they don't have power steering.
I don't know.
It's a little bit heavy.
If you're wondering why Jesse doesn't know anything about this, he just got back from New Zealand, so he hasn't been here.
Where's the motor, Adam? Try again.
Does he know how to pop the real? No.
What?
No, that's the boot. That's the boot. That's not the motor.
What? No! Still no motor. Sheesh.
Can you figure it out?
Pretty sure it still pops from when yeah, I didn't latch it properly. How do you pop it?
Here, on the back.
Oh, true. Got a bonnet latch for your midsection. That's an SR20. One word. VTEC, yo.
Honda with VTEC. I got this custom manifold made here. I had that specifically designed to fit my short throw dipstick in there. It is a turbo manifold, but I took the turbo off, just put a straight pipe out the side.
That's it. We got VTEC. It's also missing the intake pipe because I just made one. We'll go have a look at that.
Nah.
That's what he's eating. So Corey cut this up.
What have we got today?
Get me
Food
some
reviews.
I need some food sponsors. We have Budget Build, pesto, pasta and chicken, pre-sliced by the Woolworths workers because I can't be bothered.
Anyway, Corey cut this up and then I laid down some boots. Ooh. That's the intake pipe. Still got to make a bracket for it to support it. Got that K&N pod filter, not sponsored. Ooh, that's an extra 50 horsepower right there, boys. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll get this thing on the hoist and we'll show you the coilover setup, and then I reckon we'll get into the exhaust. Might finish off this pipe, make a bracket for it, and yeah, we'll start giving this thing the Reet touch, slap some spicy wheels on it. Stay tuned. VTEC, yo. So I just got off the phone from Shockwave just to get the rundown of exactly what went on here, and they pretty much spec'd out a fully custom kit in 3 days on this thing. He said the main focus was keeping the drivability spicy, but with some more refined handling attributes. Heaps of wizardry. Trust. Go get yourself a set and you'll understand. But yeah, that's Kane.
You wish you could weld like that.
Alright, we're underneath. This is mad. Full titanium rear section from Japan that looks super spicy. Fujitsubo.
You definitely butchered that.
Butchered it. Gieken. Yeah, that's mad. That's staying. And then it's also got some pretty hefty looking stainless headers. Look like sort of equal length headers there that wrap around all crazy like. So hats off to the poor guy that had to install them, because that wouldn't have been fun. But what I'm thinking, these things here, bloody emission things, Cadillac converters, I reckon they need to go. So I'm going to do that, I reckon. So I'm going to try and make it bolt on, bolt off, using the flange points so that they can go straight back in. Might have to make some custom flanges, potentially, because they look a little bit funny. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's get this baby purring. We'll smash that out, get some gangster noises, and then once we're done with that, we can move on to wheels and tyres. Need that more aerodynamic shit. Hey! Got the old audio ruiners, the old Cadillac converters, ripped out. So we're going to be replacing them with some stainless tube. One side of the flanges I got to get custom made because Amron don't list them. So they're going to make me some custom stainless flanges, which is Kane. So right now it's just got headers, and it'd be rude not to start her up. Get the full tractor going, the VTEC tractor. You have to.
This is gonna hurt.
As Jesse called them, Cadillac converters.
Yes!
I reckon it's gonna be pretty damn loud.
I think it's gonna hurt me.
It's like motor into out of the motor.
It's in gear. It's in gear. It's in gear.
Welcome back to another NSX update. We've been flat out, so we haven't been filming much, but a lot has gotten done. Got done. Been done. Progress. Where do we start? While we to do the cat deletes, I had to get some custom laser cut flanges from Amron, so that took a while. So in the meantime, we had the car tinted, including the tail lights. So there's a film put on the tail lights and tinted windows. The windows are down right now. You can see the back window. So darkest legal there. Then we sent the car off to go get a full detail. So it's had a full cut and polish, wax, all the fancy ass stuff. So she's looking fresh. We've also got some wheels on it. So we picked up these Weds from Import Monster. They suit the car quite nicely. The guards on these things are very limited as to what sort of wheels you can run. They have to be very shat offsets basically in sizes. So it's staggered 19 rear and 18 front. It's just the way the shape of the guards are. And then yeah, you have to have pretty poor offset, otherwise you'll mince your guards. But yeah, these just aggressive enough to look Kang and not destroy the guards. You already seen we got the Shockworks coilovers. We lowered it a little bit. I just lowered it a little bit more in the rear, so we'll drop her down. See how slammed she's looking. Hopefully it's still drivable. And yeah, Corey created the cat delete pipes. We'll lift it up and have a look. So here we have it. We got the aftermarket extractors coming off the motor, and then these bolt-in cat delete pipes that Corey's made here. Yeah, pretty nice. So the factory cats will bolt straight in for all your legal duties, whatever you want to do with it. And then slap these puppies in there to make some noise. Haven't heard it yet, so we'll start it up and give it a listen. Still got this titanium cat back section with a big old muffler, but I reckon it's going to be sounding pretty spicy. Got that Kang Gang fat, man. Not bad, Harry. Not bad. It's about as loud as you'd want it to be.
I think so.
You wouldn't want it any louder. I'm sure it'll sound good under load. Not bad. Let's hit the streets. B-roll. That's a wrap. That concludes a little NSX build for y'all. We did a pretty poor job of filming it, but thanks for watching anyway. Don't forget, you can have this thing sitting in your garage or driveway or parked on the side of the street at the front of your house. If you're not already a member, sign up now. 20 bucks a month, I think, is the lowest one, and you're automatically in the draw to win all of these Kang cars. Or you can buy yourself a package and jump in the draw. Get on it, keepitred.com. This thing's spicy. Boys are gonna film it next Monday, and you'll be seeing the giveaway video drop on our socials very shortly. But yeah, she's not bad. It's a pretty spicy looking NSX. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.